My name's Rich. I'm gonna take everyone through a quick travel workout to show you guys some exercises you can do to stay fit while you're on the road, while you're traveling. I know it might be tough for some of you to find the time to get in some time for yourself and really, push your levels of fitness, but really also kind of stay in shape. This exercise is called the crab toe touch. It's a great exercise to do when you're just in your room, you want to get your heart rate a little bit up. It's great in the morning when you want to get some extra cardio to really, get the blood flowing. If you got to wake up, you got to get to work, important meeting, that kind of thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit the floor. But basically all you're doing is you're going to take your left foot and you're going to bring it up to meet your right hand. 1. That's 1 rep. So just switch. Right arm, left toe, right toe, left arm. And just keep going. So it's basically a total body exercise. Make sure to keep your hips up. It helps stabilize your lower back. This is great for your arms and your shoulders. Most of all, it's a great cardio workout. It's a great way to get warmed up. It also works those muscles that you tend to neglect just lifting weights and just running. So I'm all for the exercises that take you back to being a kid again. Kind of makes it a little fun too, just to switch it up. Definitely a great exercise. I usually do 15 to 20 or until I tire out. I say when you get tired, do 10 more. I hope everyone learned a few things. This is Rich Herrera and we'll see you out on the road. Take care.